Marta, and today I want to dive into watercolor and paint roses. As you can see here, I've been laying down a little bit of color underneath here with lots of water, and I'm using paper to take away the colors that stands out, because this is just an underlayer for the rose. And then I have more color, more pigment in the colors, but I'm also using a lot of water. So my tips here is to have a lot of paint on the tip on the round pencil, because as you can see, I'm using a round pencil, and that is a must when you make roses. So when I lay down the pencil, the tip of the color has more color on it, and you get the push and pull in the leaves. And I want to have the darker inside in the middle and get lighter when I paint the leaves bigger and bigger. And then I go over with more color on the leaves on the roses to make it pop, to get the contrast. And I wanted to use the complementary colors, violet and yellow, but I didn't have the dark violet, so I used red, violet and yellow. Then the complementary colors is colors that match together or are opposite of together and makes the painting more vibrant and balanced. So this is how I practice my roses. You have to start very light with the tip, and when you go out to the leaves on the roses, you push the round pencil more down and up. So I have a little bit, of course you see this in time lapse, but if you slow it down, you can see that I start light and then push it down and up again. So I get this fine lines in the leaves in the roses. And then I make leaves. And you can make the leaves dark, you can make them light, you can make them light and dark to get the contrast and the life in the leaves. And you can use this in your just make roses, or you can make a painting with different flowers with the roses. So this is very good practice and fun practice, and it's very meditative, because I love to make the same flowers over and over again, so it goes into my heart. So when I want to make a rose in watercolors, I know how I do it, and I can feel the joy when the rose is, springing out. Can I say that? Yes, I can. So I hope this can inspire you, and if you think this time lapse is too fast, slow it down and go back and forward and see how I do it. And if you have any questions, please ask me, and I will answer you as best as I can. And I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like it, please subscribe and like and share with your friends, someone you know who also wants to learn or have inspiration from how to make watercolor flowers. And I wish you a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching and supporting me.